Hey, it's Chelsea with Low Boost Performance. Super stoked. Today we're installing RALLYARMOR mud flaps on the new 2023 Toyota GR Corolla. You're gonna wanna see this. All right, now that we got this up on the lift, we've got everything unboxed. We've got our rears and our front mud flaps here. This package comes with all of the needed hardware, detailed instructions, and then both set of rear and front mud flaps. All the information needed to purchase these and everything that is included in the kit will be linked below for you. Now let's get going.
So getting into this install of these mud flaps here, we realized we had to take off this rear inner fender. They're pretty easy to get off, just a few clips. To get that pulled off, we had to adhere the mounts for the mud flap. There's two different mounts you had to adhere right here. Pretty easy, not too bad. We're gonna get back to it. Are we one of them?
You have both Evos in it.
As you can see here, pretty simple install on the RALLYARMOR mud flaps and the same great quality as always. If you're looking to purchase these mud flaps or have us install them, all the details will be linked below in the description for the video. We'll see you soon.